This is S300 plus K2 mask package. If you need a filling tool, please select the corresponding package. Make sure the package has all the accessories. How to assemble the K2 mask. First, read the instructions. Assemble the snorkel assembly. Attach the snorkel tubes to the left and right side of the mask. Make sure the tubes do not fall out of the mouthpiece until the clips are securely attached to the mouthpiece. Once the action camera mount is installed, you can attach the action camera to the mask. How to connect the mask to the cylinder. Read the contents of the instruction manual. Remove the dust cap and connect the breathing valve to the bottle. Remove the bite on the breathing valve. It's a mask connector. Replace it with the connecting piece. Twist the connecting piece that. Connect the bottle to the notch in the mask. Make sure it rotates smoothly and does not fall off.